Hey friends, if you wish to fix system configuration cannot save the original boot configuration error on Windows 11, then it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to push UAC to the lowest. Type UAC in the Windows search bar. Go to change user account control settings. Keep it at the lowest, but by default it's usually at the third option. So pull it at the lowest. It says not recommended. That's okay. Click on OK. Now it won't even ask for administrator permissions. Does it still not help? I'll give you three commands. These are in the description section. Copy these. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as administrator. Paste them and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.